Hey guys, and welcome. I want to share a fun little way we can take a 6x8 paper pad. This is the Heidi Swapp Art Walk paper pad that you can find right now at Joanne and joanne.com, and take some of these papers to get us ready for back to school. These super cute DIY notebooks are very, very easy, take little to no time at all, and I want to show you one of my favorite ways to take paper pads and create little notebooks for either yourself, your purse, your list, to-dos, or for your kids if they need some notebooks as part of their school supply stash. This is a great way to create the cutest little DIY notebooks. Okay, so here we go. First up, we're going to take a few of our favorite patterns from the paper pad. It doesn't matter. I love the paper pads because they have the pattern on the one side and the solid on the other. So we will have cute pattern, kind of get the best of both worlds with a paper pad such as this. So I am going to just remove a few of my favorite sheets. So I have 4 sheets. In your papers, you will decide which one you would like for your cover. I think I like this one. So just folding it in half, like hot dog fold. I am going to use a bone folder, line up our edges, and use a bone folder to get that nice sharp crease. Now to bind our book. I am using my sewing machine so I can create a nice basic stitch. You could also hand sew if you like, or if you have a long reach stapler, you could staple the edges. But I like giving my books a little sewing binding, so this is what we are going to do. So there is my sewn edge. Fold over. Trim off our loose parts. And here is our perfectly sewn and bound. You can see the center stitch. A perfect notebook, custom made, ready for all that back to school life that we all know and love. Am I right? How fun. Then you can take it one step further and embellish the cover. I love this sticker pack. You can see it is well used. And I'm just going to simply stick on this sticker because I find it so fitting. Because with the new school year comes a lot on the mind, and sometimes we just need a little reminder. So how cute, a literal notebook in seconds.